Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or know who shared your posts on Threads. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. First, we need to access our threads, and after that, we will be needing to go to our profile picture here at the bottom or just the profile icon, and from there, you will be able to go to uh, the posts. So you need just to go to your posts. And in my case, I'm just going to create a thread. So let's just have anything, and I'm just going to click on post so we can create a new thread. Now we will be able to find our threads here. We can click on these threads. So here you will find your shares and simply you will be able to find informations about your thread. So here you will find like the numbers of like and it will be something similar to this. We can click on this thread. You can find like the number of shared, number of replies, comments, etc. Also, if we go to activity, you will find reposts here, and you can also click on the repost and you can see who reposted your thread. And you can do the same for your thread, and those are just some other profile thread, and it will be the same for yours. So you can simply click on any thread. So let's just search for anything that has many reposts. So here I'm just going to click view activity and then we will want to go to repost and those are the reposted thread. Eh, And if we want the sent thread or like the sharing like this button, as you can see there is no informations about it or like the profile, the shares, etc. But you will be able to see who reposted your thread. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.